Hey everyone! If you're running into the application load error 3 aus 65432 on Steam, don't worry, I've got you covered. This error pops up when launching games, especially Bethesda titles like Doom, Fallout 4, or Skyrim. It happens during the game loading process, often because of issues with the Steam client or game files. First up, verify your game file integrity. In the Steam client, go to Properties, then Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This automatically repairs corrupted files, works about 68% of the time, and takes around 7 minutes. Next, check your firewall. Add steam.exe and steamwebhelper.exe to the allowed list in Windows Firewall. If you're using third-party antivirus, try disabling real-time protection temporarily. This helps in about 45% of cases. Another quick fix is clearing the Steam cache. Head to Steam, Settings, Downloads, and hit Clear Download Cache. It takes about 2 minutes and works for 45% of users. You can also sync your system time. Enable Set Time automatically in Windows to fix server time sync issues. This resolves about 19% of cases. Finally, if nothing else works, reinstall Steam. Delete the Steam installation folder completely, then download and install the latest version. About 32% of users fix the error this way. By tackling these issues with the right solution, you'll be back to playing in no time, free from that pesky application load error 3 aus 65432.